Hey y'all, welcome back to Moving to Dallas, Texas. I am Connor Hornsby and I'm in Blue Ridge, Texas today, checking out these 4-bed, 2.5 bath, 2,100 square foot homes for $300,000. Builders also offering $10,000 credit, which can go towards the 3.9% interest rate. I'm also going to do a breakdown during this video of what your payments would be on this property. So let's go on in and let's check it out. Okay, before I let you just enjoy the property tour here, I'm going to jump into the numbers on purchasing this $300,000 home. Before I do so, though, make sure to subscribe and like these videos if you like this kind of content, but let's jump into it. For a $300,000 property, 3.5% down, FHA loan, you're going to need to bring around $10,500 for closing for your down payment. Your monthly payment with the 3.9% interest rate is going to be $1,389 for principal and interest. For taxes, going to be around $425 per month. Insurance, $125 a month. And mortgage insurance, $132 a month. This comes to a grand total of $2,072 per month for a 4-bed, 2.5 bath, over 2,000 square foot home here in North Texas. If you want more information about this property, feel free to grab my information below, and don't forget to subscribe and like, and enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you so much for watching my video today. If you like this content and want to see more, feel free to hit that subscribe button. If you want to see specific properties or areas within the DFW Metroplex, feel free to grab my information below, and I look forward to seeing you all in Dallas.